regulation from the central bank limited the transfers for each company and for each individuals. It's just a matter of control of the money from outside, I mean from inside to outside. Really, we are facing many problems, and we ask the central bank to delegate the banks themselves to know their customers for the proper transfers. Really, now after the revolution, in any, not only just in Libya, in any countries, when there is no proper system and the government it's not stabilized, and due to the revolution or to the war or whatever, the country it will be targeted from many people, especially outside or inside. We are facing many problems, especially for some false bill of collections, which there is bill of collection with bill of lading, but unfortunately there is no equipment or no material has been shipped to country. Millions of that. It will affect it for our reserves. You know, maybe some people, as far as you know, there's some people of my country, they already left their country and they have some assets here and they can liquidate them and they can transfer their money outside. At the same time, some of money, maybe it's used for traders, which they are getting their material by cash. But definitely we have to control this one from because it's just cleaning of money or anti-money laundering. So the central bank try to control it, but unfortunately when issue some laws or some regulations, they don't make difference between the proper persons who has a real work and real investment and real import for materials which rather belong to their manufacturers or to their activity, with the people who just they are transferring the money which we don't know where it's going. You know, from the European side we don't be afraid, because really we are dealing with KYC and they really dealing with the proper customers themselves, but unfortunately we have some countries which they close their eyes about the anti-money laundering, and they get the money flow from here to their country. I don't want to mention this country really, but it's not good. So we have to be careful about the money here in banking sector, and at the same time, I am against the central bank to issue circulation which affected the most important sectors like oil. You know, especially the oil, it's the main sector to generate the money for the country. And you know that the oil companies, they need a lot of services and equipment, which they facilitate the issue to them. Also from the communication side, we have also to facilitate them. Also from the health side, Ministry of Health, for the hospitals or for the medicine or for the equipment for the hospitals, also should be also facilitate the issue for them. We are trying gradually to improve by discussing these issues with the central banks and try to facilitate this gradually and to release from time to time or change the regulations or change the transfers with the central bank, at least to enable to serve the proper sectors without any problems. But we cannot leave everything is open and to do whatever you can transfer and you can do, because unfortunately the outflow is less than the cash flow from outside. Really, to open this issue, I think also we should give a trust to the people who they are working outside or they have money outside, that they can transfer this money from outside to inside, that they can collect their money immediately, they can exchange it to the Libyan dinar, they can transfer it back. So we have to create some trust between the banking sector and the people itself to enable improve many things in the banking sector here.